Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha and I am teacher of class nursery. Today I am going to introduce you to new letters. Let's see, what are the new letters? A. This is uppercase A. This is uppercase A. A. This is also called capital A. Now let's see. What is this? This is lowercase a. This is lowercase a. This is also called small a. 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 The sound of A is A. A. And the action of A is, you have to pretend as ants are crawling on your hand, as ants are crawling on your arm. And what is the song of A? Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm and causing me alarm. Again, what is the action of A? And the song of A is ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm and causing me alarm. Now let's see what are the objects that starts with A. Ant. Apple. X. Arrow. Aeroplane. Arm. Again, ant. Apple. X. Arrow. Aeroplane. Arm. Now I am going to tell you how to write A on dots. First of all, you will make a circle. You will make a circle. There are 4 lines on your book. There are 4 lines on your book. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are writing lowercase a, small a. Small a is written in these 2 lines, 1 and 2. Start from here and join the dots very slow. Make a circle, and make a tail. Now I am going to tell you how to write A without dots. First of all, make a circle like this and then make a small tail. This is small a, lowercase a. And let me tell you the song one more time. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm and causing me alarm. Okay, now we are moving towards our next letter. That is letter B. This is letter B. B. This is capital B, uppercase B. This is also called capital B. B. Next is small b, lowercase b, B. This is also called small b. This is also called small b. Now let me tell you what is the sound of B. The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. Now let me tell you the action of B. B. You are going to join your hands like this as you are hitting a bat with the ball. B. B. And let me tell you the song of letter B. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play, B. Now there are some objects that starts with B. B, B, bag. B, B, bag. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. B, B, book. B, B, book. B, B, box. B, B, box. B, B, boy. B, B, boy. B, B, baby. B, B, baby. Let me tell you the song one more time. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play, B. Now I am going to tell you how to write B, how to write small b on dots. There are 4 lines on your book. You have to write small b in first 3 lines. In first 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lines and we are going to write small b in these 3 lines. Let's start. First of all, make a standing line like this and then make a curve in 2 lines. You have to make a standing line in 3 lines and then curve in 2 lines. This is small b, lowercase b. This is also called small b. Now I am going to tell you how to write small b without dots. Start from this dot, make a standing line in 3 lines and then make a curve in these 2 lines. See how easy it is. This is small b, lowercase b. Now let me tell you the song and the action one more time. B. This is the action of B. 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 And let me tell you the song. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play, B. Now I am going to show you your book, Oxford Modern English, page number 10. You have to do reading on page number 10 and writing on page number 11. Hope you have learned how to write A and B and you know the action and song of A and B. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.